Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to Harmony Haven, your go-to channel for health tips, fitness advice, and workout routines. We're dedicated to promoting health and wellness, providing you with useful tips, advice, and exercises for a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned as today we dive into the world of whole grains and their nutritional benefits. Whole grains. You've probably heard about them, but do you really know what they are? Let's take a closer look. Whole grains, as the name implies, are grains in their whole, natural form. They contain all three parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Each part of the grain contributes a unique set of nutrients, making whole grains a powerhouse of dietary goodness. The outer layer, or the bran, is high in fiber, which aids in digestion, lowers cholesterol, and keeps you feeling full longer. It also contains B vitamins, antioxidants, and a significant amount of minerals like iron, zinc, and copper. The germ, or the innermost part of the grain, is the embryo of the grain that has the potential to sprout into a new plant. It's packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, B vitamins, phytochemicals, and antioxidants. The largest part of the grain, the endosperm, is mostly made up of carbohydrates with a small amount of protein and very few other nutrients. However, it provides the germ with energy if the grain begins to grow into a new plant. Unlike refined grains where the bran and germ are removed during the refining process, leaving only the endosperm, whole grains retain all these nutritious components. As a result, they are richer in dietary fiber, protein, and a host of essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating whole grains into our diet can make a significant difference in our overall health. They can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. They also promote healthier carotid arteries and a decrease in systemic inflammation. Now, whole grains aren't just wheat. There's a whole world of grains out there like barley, brown rice, buckwheat, bulgur, millet, oats, quinoa, rye, sorghum, and many more. Each one has its own unique taste, texture, and nutritional profile. Now that we know what whole grains are, explore some of the common types we can incorporate into our diet. So let's get ready to delve deeper into the world of whole grains and discover their countless health benefits. We'll be exploring these in our next scene, so stay tuned. Whole grains come in a variety of types, each with its unique nutritional profile. Let's delve into some of the most common. First up, we have brown rice. Unlike its polished counterpart, white rice, brown rice retains the nutrient-rich bran and germ layer. It's a fantastic source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including manganese, which is essential for bone health and metabolism. Next on our list is quinoa, often hailed as a superfood. Technically a seed but cooked like a grain, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce. It's also gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for those with dietary restrictions. Moving on, we have oats, a breakfast staple for many. Oats are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They're rich in fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan, known for its cholesterol-lowering effects. Oats also contain powerful antioxidants that may help lower blood pressure levels. Lastly, let's not forget barley. This versatile grain is one of the oldest and most widely consumed in the world. It's high in fiber, particularly the soluble kind that slows digestion, helping you feel full longer. Plus, barley is rich in selenium, a mineral that boosts your immune system and thyroid function. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a vast world of whole grains to explore, from farro and bulgur to teff and frike. Each offers its unique blend of nutrients, textures, and flavors, adding variety and nutrition to your plate. These are just a few examples. There are many more whole grains out there. But what makes them so beneficial to our health? Whole grains are nutritional powerhouses packed with an array of health benefits. They are the unprocessed seeds of plants, encapsulating every part of the grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This whole package is a treasure trove of nutrients, providing numerous health advantages. Let's start with fiber, an essential part of our diet that many of us don't get enough of. Whole grains are a rich source of dietary fiber. This isn't just about keeping you regular, although that's important too. Fiber has a host of other benefits. It helps you feel full, which can aid in weight management by curbing overeating. It also slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep your energy steady. Beyond fiber, whole grains are packed with essential nutrients. They're rich in B vitamins, including folate, thiamine, and niacin, which play key roles in metabolism, helping your body break down and release energy from food. They also contain iron, which our bodies need to carry oxygen in the blood, and magnesium and selenium, which are vital for a healthy immune system. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can be easier than you think. With a variety of whole grains available, it's all about exploring and experimenting with them in your daily meals. Firstly, an easy switch to make is replacing refined grains with whole grain alternatives. If you're a fan of bread, opt for whole grain bread instead of white. Similarly, swap out your regular pasta with whole grain pasta. Love rice? Try brown rice or wild rice. These small changes can make a big difference in boosting your intake of whole grains. Next, consider adding whole grains to your soups and salads. Barley, quinoa, and bulgur are excellent choices. They not only add a delightful texture to your dishes, but also enhance the nutritional profile. A handful of cooked quinoa or barley in your soup or salad can elevate your meal to a whole new level of wholesomeness. And what about using whole grains as a base for your stir-fries and casseroles? Brown rice, quinoa, or bulgur can add a hearty and satisfying foundation to your dishes. Just stir-fry your favorite vegetables, protein, and seasonings, then serve them over a bed of cooked whole grains. Don't forget about breakfast. Start your day with a bowl of whole grain cereal or oatmeal. Not only will this keep you full for longer, but it will also provide you with a steady release of energy throughout the morning. Remember, whole grains are not just for meals. They can also be included in your snacks. Popcorn, a type of whole grain, can be a healthy, fiber-rich snack option. Whole grain crackers with your favorite dip or cheese can also be a tasty and nutritious snack. So as you see, adding whole grains to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about finding creative ways to include them in your meals and snacks. And while you're experimenting, you might just discover a new whole grain favorite. With these tips, you can easily make whole grains a staple in your diet. That's it for today's dive into the world of whole grains. Remember, incorporating these nutrient powerhouses into your diet can transform your health. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Harmony Haven for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy.